सर सर पेपर चेक हो गए। लो बस, नहीं लगाया हो। सर
जी बेटा बोलिए।
पेपर चेक हो गए।
जी हो गए।
नंबर अपलोड नहीं हो।
हाँ हो जाएंगे।
कब तक हो जाएंगे सर?
बस जब सब चेक हो जाएंगे जब हो जाएंगे।
ओके सर।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 8 प्लस एक्स माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स। 64162। Question number 13, y is equal to x square upon 8 plus x minus 1 upon x raised to power 4. Question number 13, y is equal to x square upon 8 plus x minus 1 upon x raised to power 8. Again, we may use the both methods. Either we suppose this one as u and we will find dy upon du and du upon dx and then multiply both, or we may use directly because here y is a function of x directly. We can use the direct method also, raised to power 4. So I will use the direct method, that is I think easy. Dy upon dx is equal to 4 x square upon 8 plus x minus 1 over x raised to power 4 minus 1 will be 3. This power will come over there and here and minus 1. And we will take the direct, derivative of this one. X square upon 8 plus x minus 1 over x. Without power, must understood. We will take the derivative. First we will take the power and subtract one power with the same function. Then we multiply this one with the derivative what is inside that one. So this will become 4 x square upon 8 plus x minus 1 upon x raised to power 3 into the derivative of x square will be 2x. 8 is a constant that will remain as it is, plus the derivative of x will be 1 minus 1 over x. 1 over x means x is to power minus 1. The derivative of x is to power minus 1 will be equal to minus 1 upon x square. The derivative of 1 upon x, that is 1 upon x, is equal to x is to power minus 1. 1 upon x means x is to power minus 1. So derivative of x is to power minus 1. How to find? Minus 1 will come over there. Minus 1 power is shifted over there. Minus 1 Then x is to power minus 1 is already there, and we will subtract 1 power. We will subtract 1 power. Whatever be the power over there, that will come here, and from this power we will subtract 1. So it will become minus 1 x is to power minus 2. That means
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। तो सर आप बार बार हैंग हुए जा रहे हैं। हेलो सर। सर कहाँ चले गए थे आप? सर आपकी वीडियो रुक रही है।
okay. So we are doing this one. This is 1 over x. The derivative of x square is 2x upon 8. Derivative of x is 1 minus the derivative 1 upon x. 1 upon x means x is to power minus 1. And the derivative of x is to power minus 1 will be equal to minus 1. And x is to power minus 1 minus 1. One power will be subtracted from the whole power. So minus 1 x is to power minus 2. That means minus 1 upon x square. Therefore, the derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. So it will become 4 x square upon 8 plus x minus 1 over x raised to power 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. It will become 1 of x over 4 plus 1 minus minus plus 1 over x square. It will be written first. This is 4 into x upon 4 plus x plus 1 upon x square into this one. X square upon 8 plus x minus 1 upon x raised to power 3. This is the final answer. Derivative of y with respect to x is 4 into x upon 4 plus x plus 1 over x square. Sorry. Yes. X. This is 1, not x. This is 1. X upon 4 plus 1 minus minus plus 1 over x square. So that will be written first. This 4, then x upon 4 plus 1 upon x square into this one. X square upon 8 plus x minus 1 over x whole raised to power 3. Now Ahmad Mirza 63254. This is the final answer, dy upon dx. We did not suppose q. That we have done directly. The next question is question number 15. Y is equal to sec 10x. Y is equal to sec 10x. Question number 15. Y is equal to sec 10x. So we may use direct or we may use u. So if I suppose u, so this will be u. U is equal to 10x. U is equal to 10x. What is inside in the bracket, that will be supposed as u. So y will become sec u and u is equal to 10x. Dy upon du will be equal to sec u 10u and du upon dx sec square u sec square x. Du upon dx will be equal to sec square x and dy upon du sec u 10u. Now we will use the chain rule to find dy upon dx. Dy upon du into du upon dx. Put the values. Dy upon du is sec u tan u. Into du upon dx sec square x. So sec square x will be written first. It will become sec square x into sec u into tan u. U will be replaced by tan x. Sec square x sec tan x into tan of tan x. This is the final answer. Sec square x sec of tan x tan of tan x. Sec of tan x and tan of tan x. This is the final answer. Dy upon dx. We use the chain rule. We use the chain rule and we suppose by the method of supposing tan x is equal to u. This tan x is equal to u. So sec of, if you suppose tan x is equal to u, then it will become sec u. Y will become sec u and u will become tan x. So dy upon du will be sec u tan u and du upon dx will be equal to sec square x. Using the chain rule, dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. Dy upon dx is equal to dy upon du into du upon dx. So dy upon du was sec u tan u into du upon dx was sec square x. So that will be written first, sec square x into sec u tan u. U is replaced by tan x. So it will become sec square x, sec of u is replaced by tan x. Tan u is also again tan, u is again replaced by tan.
सर आपका नेट सही नहीं चल रहा।
तो क्या करूं बेटा मैं?
हमारा लगा। सर अच्छा वाला नेट लगवा लें।
बेटा तुम खामोश नहीं रह सकते? खामोश नहीं रह सकते क्या? बिना वजह में दिमाग खराब किया हुआ तुमने। ओके So that was question number 13. Now we will do question next question. Question number 17. Y is equal to sine cube x. Question number 17. Y is equal to sine cube x. Seventeen. Y is equal to sine cube x. So dy upon dx will be equal to dy upon dx will be equal to sine cube x means sine x whole cube. Dy upon dx will be equal to, this is sine x, sine cube x means sine x whole raised to power 3. Sine raised to power 3 x means sine x whole raised to power 3. So it will become, the 3 power will come over there, 3 sine square x, 3 sine square x. Then we will take the derivative of sine x. Derivative of sine x. The derivative of sine x will become cos x. 3 sine square x into cos x. This is the final answer. First, this power will come over there and we will subtract one power. Instead of 3, it will become 3 minus 1 will become 2. So 3 sine square x into derivative of sine x. So sine derivative of sine x will be equal to cos x. So this is the final answer. 3 sine square x cos x. Now the next question. Question number 21. Question number 21. S is equal to 4 upon 3 pi. S is equal to 4 upon 3 pi sine 3t plus 4 upon 5 pi cos 5t. Here S is a function of t. S is a function of t. Pi is always be constant. Pi is constant. So S is a function of t. So we will find ds upon dt. We will find ds upon dt. So ds upon dt will become 4 upon 3 pi is constant. The derivative of sine t will be cos 3t. Derivative of sine 3t will be cos 3t into derivative of what is inside, that is 3t. Derivative of 3t plus, with the same method, 4 upon 5 pi is constant. 4 upon 5 pi is constant. Derivative of cos 5t will be minus sine 5t. Derivative of cos 5t will be sine minus sine 5t into derivative of 5t. Into derivative of 5t. It will become 4 upon 3 pi cos 3t. Derivative of 3t will be 3. Here plus minus minus. Plus into minus will be minus. 4 upon 5 pi into sine 5t into derivative of 5t will be 5. Derivative of 5t will be 5. This 3 is cancelled by this 3. This 5 is cancelled by this 5. The final answer is 4 upon pi into cos 3t minus 4 upon pi sine 5t. This is the final answer. You may take 4 by pi common. You may take 4 pi common. So inside will be cos 3t minus sine 5t. If I take 4 by pi common, so inside will be cos 3t minus sine 5t. Four by pi common. Okay, 46 Hassan Rahim. 464091. 4091. 64091 Hassan Rahim. Okay. So this is the final answer. 4 by pi cos 3t minus sine 5t. 4 by pi cos 3t minus sine 5t. In the same way, we will do the next question, question number 25. Question number 25. X square sine 4x sine raised to power 4x plus x cos raised to power minus 2x. This question have you all understood? Anything do you want to ask? Nothing. Okay. Question number 25. Y is equal to x square sine raised to power 4x. Y is equal to x square sine raised to power 4x plus x sine raised to power minus 2x. Here also, again I am telling you, x square sine raised to power 4x means sine x whole raised to power 4. In the same way, x sine raised to power minus 2x, that means sine x whole raised to power minus 2. Sine x whole raised to power minus 2. So again we will differentiate dy upon dx. Dy upon dx will be equal to, here there are two functions, u into v. dy upon dx.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आवाज नहीं आ रही? आवाज तो आनी चाहिए बेटा मेरी, आवाज तो आनी चाहिए, म्यूट तो हूं नहीं मैं. dy upon dx is equal to x square sine raised to power 4x. So there are two functions u into v. There are two functions u into v. So u into v का फार्मूला लगेगा, the derivative of the first function, the derivative of x square will be 2x.